Welcome back to another journey into the heart of rural Iran. Today, we are visiting a peaceful mountain village where life follows the rhythm of nature. Far away from busy cities and crowded streets, people here continue to live much like their ancestors did hundreds of years ago. The air is fresh. The mountains stand proudly in the distance. Small stone houses rest quietly among green fields, and the sounds of nature replace the noise of modern life. In this village, cooking is more than preparing food. It is a tradition.
The day begins before sunrise. As the first light touches the mountain peaks, the village slowly awakens. A gentle breeze moves through the trees. Birds sing from nearby branches, welcoming the new day. The village woman steps outside her home and takes a deep breath of the cool morning air. For generations, families in this village have started their mornings early. Before breakfast can be prepared, there are many chores to complete. Animals need attention. The chickens are fed. The sheep are checked. Fresh milk is collected from the family cow. Life here depends on daily effort and cooperation. Every member of the family contributes to the work. Children help with simple tasks, while older family members handle more demanding responsibilities. Despite the hard work, there is a sense of peace and satisfaction that comes from living close to nature. The rising sun paints the mountains with golden colors. A new day has begun.
Today's meal starts with gathering ingredients. Unlike city life, where food comes from supermarkets, village families often grow much of what they eat. The woman walks into her garden carrying a woven basket. Rows of vegetables stretch across the small plot of land. Fresh tomatoes shine under the morning sunlight. Green peppers hang from healthy plants. Onions, herbs, and cucumbers are ready to be harvested. She carefully selects only the freshest produce. Each vegetable has been grown naturally and cared for throughout the season. Nearby, aromatic herbs fill the air with wonderful scents. Parsley, mint, coriander, basil. These herbs are an important part of Iranian cooking. They add freshness, color, and flavor to traditional dishes. The basket slowly fills with ingredients that will soon become a delicious family meal. There is something special about food harvested directly from the garden. It connects people to the land and reminds them where their nourishment truly comes from. Back at the house, preparations continue. The outdoor cooking area is simple but effective. A traditional wood-burning stove sits beneath a shaded structure. For centuries, rural families have used firewood to cook meals. Dry branches collected from nearby trees are arranged carefully beneath the stove. The fire is lit. Soon, flames begin dancing beneath the cooking pot. The smell of burning wood fills the air. Many people believe food cooked over wood fire tastes better than food prepared on modern stoves. The slow heat allows flavors to develop naturally. While the fire grows stronger, cooking utensils are prepared. Large pots, traditional pans, wooden spoons. Every tool has been used countless times over many years. Each one carries memories of family gatherings and shared meals. The vegetables are brought to a nearby water source. Clean mountain water flows steadily through the village. The woman carefully washes each vegetable. Tomatoes are rinsed thoroughly. Fresh herbs are cleaned one by one. The bright colors of the produce create a beautiful scene. Nature provides everything needed for a healthy meal. After washing, the vegetables are carried back to the cooking area. A sharp knife begins its work. Onions are sliced. Tomatoes are chopped. Peppers are prepared. Fresh herbs are finely cut and placed into separate bowls. The preparation process takes time. Nothing is rushed. Village cooking values patience and attention to detail. Every step matters. every ingredient is respected. Now, the real cooking begins. A large pot is placed over the fire. The heat gradually warms the metal. Oil is added first. Then come the onions. As they begin to cook, a rich aroma fills the air. The onions slowly turn golden brown. This simple step creates the foundation for the entire meal. Next come tomatoes and peppers. The vegetables sizzle as they meet the hot pot. Steam rises into the morning sky. Fresh herbs are added, bringing color and fragrance. Traditional spices follow. The exact spice mixture varies from family to family. Each household has its own unique methods and recipes. These secrets are often passed down from mothers to daughters for generations. The ingredients are stirred gently. The meal is beginning to take shape.
No Iranian village meal is complete without fresh bread. While the main dish cooks slowly, attention turns to bread making. Flour is mixed with water and salt. The dough is kneaded carefully by hand. This process requires strength and experience. The dough becomes smooth and elastic. After resting for a short time, it is divided into smaller portions. Each piece is rolled into thin rounds. The family uses a traditional clay oven. The heat inside is intense. One by one, the pieces of dough are placed inside. Within minutes, the bread begins to rise and brown. The smell is incredible. Fresh bread is one of life's simplest pleasures. Warm, soft, fragrant, perfect for sharing with family.
While the food continues cooking, village life carries on. Neighbors pass by and exchange greetings. Children play nearby. Animals move peacefully through open fields. The mountains stand silently in the background. Life here may seem simple, yet many people would describe it as rich. Rich in relationships, rich in traditions, rich in connection to nature. There are challenges, of course. Village life requires hard work. Weather conditions can be difficult. Resources may be limited. But many villagers appreciate the slower pace of life. They value community more than convenience. They value experiences more than possessions. Back at the cooking area, the meal continues to simmer. Traditional village dishes are often cooked slowly. This method allows flavors to blend naturally. Patience is essential. The fire must be monitored carefully. Too much heat can spoil the meal. Too little heat can delay cooking. The woman checks the pot regularly. She stirs gently. She tastes occasionally. Years of experience guide every decision. There are no measuring cups, no digital timers, only knowledge passed down through generations. This wisdom cannot be learned from books alone. It comes from practice, from observation, from tradition. As the afternoon approaches, family members begin gathering. The smell of food has spread throughout the property. Everyone knows the meal is almost ready. Plates are arranged. Fresh vegetables are placed on the table. Homemade yogurt is prepared. Fresh herbs are served alongside the bread. The atmosphere is warm and welcoming. Meals are important social events in village life. Food brings people together. It creates opportunities for conversation and connection. Families share stories from their day. They discuss plans. They laugh together. These moments are treasured. As the sun begins to set, golden light covers the landscape. The mountains glow softly. The air becomes cooler. The village grows quieter. Animals return to their shelters. Families gather inside their homes. The day's work is complete. There is a feeling of accomplishment and gratitude. Another meal has been shared. Another day has passed peacefully. The traditions of the village continue just as they have for generations.